welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. X3 2011. Okay, this car here, we have a problem with check engine light come on. We have a code related to something. I am not sure what it is, but I told him that the check engine light is on, no misfire, but we have this code here. All we need to do now is to diagnose this car to see what is the possibility and how and where we're gonna go. I like this BMW software for one reason, because it can give you at least it can give you some good information regarding the code, the related code for that one, for the car. So I am going to activate my ICOM and say okay, set up the connection. Now from here I will go to this section here. BMW is communicating X3 F25. That the information. Yes, that's the information for the car. And now it go directly to read the modules. You see all the modules. We have 14 codes, but the most important I am looking for is the DME code. The DME code that is here, I want to be sure that that could be taken care of. Stay with me. We're gonna wait a little bit, and please subscribe, share and like, and take care of your car. This car here is well here. If you notice here, there is a message: adaptive headlight malfunction. This car, some people take it out and put aftermarket LED lights. Aftermarket LED light, and that can create, the computer cannot see it. Also, if you notice, yesterday we are doing a Mercedes-Benz car and C320, and if you use the dealer tools, it have a lot of functions. So now let me display the codes, and my concerning here is the engine, power management, battery condition, intake, pipe absolute pressure, plausibility pressure too high, wheel detection not possible, electronic wheel module position unknown, wheel electronic, fog light. All this is not a problem. So I gotta go to calculate test plan. The beauty about it is here. I want to calculate the test plan, and we're gonna go to that module that giving us a problem. Okay, wheel energy diagnosis. Okay, I want to see what I have here. Headlight, electronic throttle actuator. Are you sure? No, I click something that I'm not supposed to click it. I don't want to do anything. 412 module. Yeah, I don't need this one here. Yes. Okay. Energy diagnose. I don't know. Wheel detection. All this not my problem. Let me see what available there. Central gateway, footwell module, electromotive throttle actuator. Is this what have this code here? Is that what you mean by seeing this pressure pipe? Yes. Intake pipe absolute pressure, plausibility pressure too high. This is our code. He give you the diagnosis description. Diagnosis: monitor whether the ratio of the air mass flow calculate through the throttle valve position is possible or fault detect if ratio decreases. Temperature condition. Okay, that means fault. Here is the definition. He say fault is detected if the ratio of the calculated air mass flow, the enclosed air mass flow, exceed the value limit. Okay, this is the quote here. Intake pipe So we want to know what measurement. Condition fault, temperature condition, intake air temperature greater than, upper, lower. So what causing it? Fault is entered ratio issue. Okay, if the fault, monitor voltage, sensor system, actuator 5 are there, check the intake system and crankcase. For tightness, check the connection of tank ventilation to intake system, check the throttle valve condition, carbon inside, icing, check wiring harness between the electromotive throttle controller and DME, replace intake pipe, vacuum sensor, replace the electromotive throttle actuator. Wow. Okay, let me go to detail. This is the detail, system context, description. Okay, let me continue. Okay, here is what looking for. This is the pipe, the whole system. Pressure control valve of the crank ventilation, radial shaft seals on the crankshaft. On the crankshaft, can you hear squeaking, whistling, or wailing noise when the engine is? Okay, no. So you know that there is like even, yeah, like maybe there is an intake manifold leak. Continue. If the following is stored, intake pipe absolute pressure plausibility show too high, since there are no fault stored in the electronic throttle controller, check and replace the electromotive throttle controller with not remedy the situation. You know, like it will not fix it. The fault mentioned above is mostly probably the result of leak in the crankcase or the air intake duct after the throttle valve. To check the two components, call up the test module for mixture adaptation and select the two following menu: leak test, intake, air system, crankcase ventilation. So it looks like one of those things have an issue. Will be included in the test plan. Okay. Okay, so we know that we have something inside the intake manifold or the crankcase. There is a leak somewhere that creating this problem. Maybe we have to start by smoke machine and anything that is possible, but most of the time that could be the crankcase ventilation, or could be the PC valve. It could be anything that is not a throttle body itself. So we may have to start looking at this place, maybe by smoke testing it if there is any leak, or as usual, this is only a matter of there is air that coming through inside the car through others. We cleared this code before and it's come back again. We have the idea where it is and what we need to do with, as you see it before. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, I have something that I forgot to show you, where what we're looking for example. Let me go down. I did not check the, what did I not check? I did not check the wiring diagram. This is a code. Okay, wiring diagram, what is showing us here. This is all the element from the throttle body. Let me go to full screen. Zoom in. This is a throttle body. This is a pressure converter wastegate. This is another one. Intake air temperature pressure sensor. Intake manifold pressure sensor. This is also one sensor. You say check this one. Maybe this is only reading. Let me see where it is. I like this one here because it can show you where it is. Intake pipe pressure sensor. Where is location? Component location. Nine 1B here. Nine 0B, this one. So it have to be checked, and then if there is any leak, intake manifold or anything, taken from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please give us any idea what do you think about it and what is the solution.